Welcome to the Smith Library Koha online catalog tutorial. You can use the catalog to search for physical books or other pieces of material. Learning objectives. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate to the Koha catalog search page, log into your Koha account, conduct a basic search, and read call numbers to locate materials. From the Smith Library homepage, located at library.lutherrice.edu, click on the Find menu, click Catalog Search. This will take you to the library catalog and give you access to keyword search. You may search the catalog without logging in. Login is required to place holds, renew items, and email your book requests. You can log in with your student email ID and password. Click Log into your account. Enter your student email, which is your first name dot last name at student.lutherrice.edu, and the password. Click Login. Click Don't Save. And it will show you as logged in with your name up in the menu area. Basic search is the default search in Koha. To begin to look for material, all you have to do is enter in one or more keywords and click Go. This will give you a number of search results. Besides the keyword search, you can also search for specific titles within the catalog by clicking on this drop-down, or you can also search by author, subject, or any other field in this search box. If you want to search for books by a specific author, click on the author in the drop-down menu, and then type in the author's name by last name, comma, first name. Format, click Go. You will see a list of titles by the author. And then notice that the number of results found for your search will appear at the top of the list. Clicking on a title will take you to the detailed record page, where you can view specific information about the title, such as the author, the material type, the publisher, description, and other pertinent information about this book. You will also find the status, and in this case, the book is available for checkout. You will also see the call number here. The call number is made up of letters and numbers. Write it down. You will need the call number to locate the books on the bookshelf. To recap our objectives, this tutorial taught us how to navigate to the Koha catalog search page, how to log in, conduct a basic search, and how to use the catalog to locate materials for your research. Play with it to get a hang of it. Practice helps you get better grades. Please feel free to contact the library by email at library@lutherrice.edu. Submit a question and a librarian will get back to you as soon as possible. Or by phone, give us a call at 770-484-1204, extension 5756. Or click on the chat box. Or you can come visit us in person on campus, and we'll be happy to help you. Happy research and writing, and God bless.